What's up, guys? Today I am making a video about my phone that is my phone is Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve. I'm going to show you the ringtones that I have. Settings. Okay, sounds and vibration. Okay, here are the ringtones. Silent, Astro, Basic Bell, Beep Once, Beep Beep, City Lights, Office, Constellation, Donkey, Friday, Holiday, Ice Cream, Meadow, Midnight Swing, Morning Glory, Orange, Over the Horizon, Meadow Mix, Pick It Up, Rose, Rubber Ball, Rush, just ignore that, I download that, Shimmer, Smooth Wave, Space Funk, Starray, Starlight, Sunset, Time Up, Treble, Wood, Geology. Okay, I'm going to show you the information about my phone. I need to change it back into it. There we go. Cancel. Okay, this is my... Oops, I'm not doing that. Okay. Okay. Galaxy J3 Achieve. See? Hit add. Oh, I just want it to be J3 Achieve. Okay. Let's do battery information. Okay. My battery's at 64. Okay. That was all for today, guys. Goodbye. Wait, I mean, peace out.